Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy from Jolly Ranchers. First, gather your essential tools, a cotton candy machine and your preferred Jolly Rancher candies. Make sure your machine is clean and in good working order. Select a variety of flavors to create a colorful and delicious treat. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable candy-making experience. Once prepared, crush your Jolly Ranchers into small, granular pieces. This helps them melt evenly in the machine. Next, preheat your cotton candy maker as directed by its manual. When it's ready, carefully pour the crushed candy into the center spinner. Watch as the machine transforms the hard candy into fluffy, sweet strands. For the best results, always use hard candies. Soft or chewy candies will not spin properly. It's crucial to clean your cotton candy machine thoroughly between each flavor batch to prevent mixing and ensure pure tastes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different Jolly Rancher combinations to discover your new favorite custom flavors. As the cotton candy forms, gently collect the sweet floss onto a paper cone or stick, twirling it carefully to build up a generous portion. Serve your freshly made Jolly Rancher cotton candy immediately to enjoy its warm, fluffy texture and intense, fruity flavor. It's a delightful and unique treat perfect for parties or a fun snack at home. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.